Hello, my name is Raihan Parmana Putra, son with my number 2250019. I am from Class A, majoring in Mechanical Engineering. Undergraduates, here I will present about multipurpose cupboard. Definition of multipurpose cupboard. A multipurpose cupboard is a cupboard that is designed to have a dual function of more than one function. For example, this cupboard is equipped with several components that have different functions, namely a cupboard for storing things, a dressing table for placing things, and mirror for looking in the mirror when doing makeup. So with this cupboard you can save more money because just one item can fulfill several necessary needs. Benefit of a multi-purpose closet. As exemplified in the previous slide, this multi-purpose cupboard has many benefits because it is designed to have multiple functions. Include save more space because you only need one item to fulfill several needs. Save more on tools because you only need one to fulfill several needs, so there is no need to buy tools with the same function. Strong and durable. This cupboard is long-lasting because it made from thick wood, so it will be strong and long-lasting. It can be used to store many items. For example, the cupboard can be used to store clothes or documents, and the dressing table can be used as a place for makeup tools. Advantage and disadvantage of multipurpose cupboards. Versatile, has more than one function, save space and costs. Just one tool can fulfill several needs. Strong and durable. This cupboard is strong and durable because it is made of good thick wood. Ergonomic design. This cupboard is designed so that it can be used for storage at the same time a place to make up. Disadvantage of multi-purpose clothes can be taken anywhere because it is heavy. The price is more expensive because it has dual function and more complete design. Maintenance is more difficult because it is made of wood, so it must be taken care of more so that it does not become purpose. Main component of a multi-purpose cupboard. This multi-purpose cupboard consists of several main components, namely, cupboard is component that function to store items and as well as to support tools. Cupboard safe is a component that function to store items in the cupboard. This dressing table. This table is located at the top of the cupboard and function to store makeup items. Glass. This component is integrated with the table and function to look in the mirror when making up. How to use multi-purpose cupboard. Use of clothes. Before using this cupboard, first make sure that capacity required does not exceed the capacity that the cupboard and accommodation. Adjust the use of the cupboard according to your needs, such as for storing clothes or documents or other important items, but don't use it for storing heavy equipment because it can cause damage. Use of dressing tables. Before using the dressing table, first make sure whatever you are going to put there, such as dressing tools, equipment, make sure your items are placed on the table. Use of mirror. This mirror is used to look in the mirror when you do your makeup. How to care for a multi-purpose clothes. Always clean and tidy the inside of the clothes. Give anti-insect spray and sprays to avoid termites and stay freshen. If the color of the cupboard has started to fade, give it wood plat to keep it like new. Always clean the outside of the clothes from dust using a wet cloth. Tips and tricks. 1. Initial adjustment. Adjust the storage needs of the required item. Function setting. Use to store item according to the cupboard's capabilities, such as clothes. Other documents do not use to store heavy equipment. Additional features. Mirror for looking in the mirror when applying makeup. Security. Routinely check the cargo of items placed in the cupboard and cupboard components. Care and clean. Always clean the inside and outside of the cupboard. Protection from weather. Put the cupboard in a room. Don't put it outside so that it is protected from the weather. Try to keep it in a dry room. Cost the right material. Use strong and durable material so that the cupboard lasts. Conclusion. It can be concluded that this multi-purpose cupboard is a tool designed to fulfill safe needs. For example, this cupboard can be used as strong area and makeup area. Here are some important points that can be concluded about this multi-purpose cupboard. Multi-purpose. This cupboard is multi-purpose because it can be used to store items as well as a place to store makeup tools and makeup yourself. Storage capacity. This cupboard has quite a lot of storage capacity because it consists of 2 cupboard shelves. Adjustment. This cupboard can adjust its use according to the owner's wish. For example, to store clothes, books, or documents, and the dressing table can be used to store makeup equipment or study tools. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is required to keep the cupboard in optimal condition. This maintenance includes cleaning the outside and inside, spraying insect repellent liquid, and applying thinner. Security. Using this cupboard also contributes to the security of objects placed in the cupboard to store items so they don't get lost and scattered everywhere. Thus, this cupboard not only provides a lot of storage space but also has flexible function for the owner. Thanks for watching.